Hey guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, I just want to tell you all, have a really nice day, It's Willie. I love this shirt. And I'm in a pretty good mood because today I am going to show you, let me block out my address, what's in the Wordy Traveler. I showed this box a few months back. They're under new management. This is the newest box. It's a quarterly box, so you're gonna get it every 3 months. I did check before signing into this video that my discount code still works. You're gonna get $20 off no matter what plan you go with. You can go with an annual plan, you can go with quarterly. There is a difference. The quarterly plan, it's like $79 a month plus shipping. An annual plan, free shipping, $316. Now that's the minimum amounts. It all depends on how many books you're gonna get in your box, but each box does come with 2 books, which is fantastic. You can get 2 fiction, you can get a fiction and nonfiction, 2 nonfiction. There's all sorts of different combinations, and I believe up to 6 books per month. Just check my little cheat sheet, 6 books per month. I'm gonna leave all the pricing down below. You're gonna get $20 off. You're gonna get the Sleepy Time tea, and if you get the annual subscription, you're also going to get the World Traveler box, which has a bunch of goodies. I'll give a link over here of what I got in my box when I unboxed it a few months ago. So you're gonna get 2 gifts. You're gonna get the Sleepy Time tea, I think it's called Sleepy Time. You're gonna get tea, and you're gonna get this special World Traveler box. Now I know this all sounds like a bunch of like promotional sales stuff like that. I like to get that stuff out in the beginning of the video so I can show you all this stuff. This stuff was gifted to me for my review, so I also like to disclose that as well. All right, let's get into the box. Open it up. This month they went to Australia. Very nice. There you go. And has one of the most pretty pictures I've seen. Look at that. And on the back of it, it tells you what's inside. And I got, I think, a special gift in my box, which I hope you get in yours. I think you will, but I'll show you that when we get to that. We also have a beautiful postcard. It's an actual postcard. You can use it. Pretend you've been to Australia. I've never been there. Hopefully one day I'll go. And you get this thing. It's called the Wanderlust inspired bookmark and souvenir. It's just like a little note. It's a really pretty bookmark, and it talks about some of the items that are in here, because we are going to receive a very lovely metal, I think it's metal, Australia. It's a bookmark. Let me see if it's metal or pewter. Yeah, it's elegant metal bookmark, features the kangaroo, which is Australia's iconic symbol. You can all relate with, the baby ran off of my dingo, ran off of my baby, right? I'm no Meryl Streep, all right? So there you go. It also has the Sydney Opera House there. Really pretty. And then they always give us some charms, and we got 2 charms. Let me get it out. Well, actually, is it 2 charms? No. We got a sticker, just says Australia. Suppose you can punch a little hole in that. And then we got a little kangaroo. Very nice. So that's that. Then we got our tea and coffee. They always put in tea and coffee, and it's actually quite good. I always dig it. It's from Byron Bay So this is the free, this is the free tea you're going to get if you subscribe for the rest of 2025, and it also comes with coffee. So the tea is Sydney Harbor tea. It's a bright citrus kissed blend that evokes the beautiful glow of sunrise over Sydney's iconic harbor. It does contain caffeine. And then the coffee is Byron Bay. It's a smooth coastal inspired roast that captures the laid back spirit of Byron Bay in every sip. So there we go, tea and coffee. Let me show you the special gift because it's not listed on the card. It says as a small token of our appreciation. And what these are, I'll tell you right now, bracelets. So we got 3 of them. And to be quite honest with you, I've received this bracelet before, like 2 years ago when I unboxed a Wordy Traveler box. So I am definitely going to get this one because I already have it. And we got 2 of these kind of like rolled beads. I noticed these are very in style this year for some reason. I see these advertised all over the internet for some reason, this type of bracelet, which I think is really cool looking. I don't own anything like it. I'll wear that. That's really all it says. It just says a small token of our appreciation. We tucked a little extra something into your box. We hope it makes you smile and adds joy to your reading journey. So I think that's a really nice touch. Thank you for the 3 bracelets. And then the gift. We always get a souvenir. And since we're in Australia, they included a boomerang. This is definitely smaller than the boomerangs I used to throw around as a kid in the 60s and 70s. This is really cute. I will definitely be gifting this. I don't have a lot of use for this, but it's really cool, and I think other people would appreciate it. And luckily, I do not keep even half of what I receive in the mail. I do a lot of gifting and just presents, and I have 3 kids and stuff like that. So I do like to gift. So this is going to go to one of my sons if they want it. All right, now what books did we get? We got 2 books. It's gonna come wrapped just like that in a brown paper package. I love packages. I like that they're wrapped. Okay. Do you guys remember The Thornbirds by Colleen McCullen? I actually read this probably like 30 years ago. I don't know when this book was written. I read it a long time ago. This is from copyright 1977. All right, so it's been a hot minute. And even though I read it so long ago and they did a movie, which was also fantastic, I am actually looking forward, it's a big book, to sit down and reread it again because I do remember I enjoyed it so much. So that's the first book. And then the second book, it's called Tracks, a woman's solo trek across 17 miles of Australian outback by Robin Davidson. And it says it's soon going to be made into a major motion picture. This is right up my alley as well. It kind of reminds me of, oh goodness, the one with Reese Witherspoon. Was it Lost? Whatever movie she did, it escapes me right now. I read that as well when she did the Appalachian Trail. So this is copyright. This is actually an older book. So all right, the major motion picture I would think came out already because this is copyright 1980, and they did it afterward copyright in 2012. So yeah, it does say the major motion picture. I must be out. It must have been out. Oh yeah, it's best Wild, not Lost. So Cheryl Strayed, who did that book, wrote the book Wild, and they did the movie. She did a little quote here on the cover. All right, I should have seen that before talking about it. So the movie is probably out somewhere on Amazon, but to me, most times the book is better than a movie. So I'm looking forward to reading this book, Tracks. Never heard of it until I received the Wordy Traveler. So that is it. Let me just do a quick recap. Remember, if you don't want fiction books, you can also get nonfiction. I'm a fiction nut, so I'm glad they sent me the fiction books. We got the 2 books. Beautiful. It does tell you about everything inside. The nice postcard, absolutely gorgeous. Wish I can paint that well. We got the boomerang, which to me is an okay gift. I'll be quite honest. I have no idea what to do with this, other than go, oh, this is cute, and I'll give this to somebody. I'll send it in a package to my son. And we have the tea and the coffee. We have the 3 bracelets, which are the extras, and then the 2 charms, which I have. Well, actually, it's 1 charm. Here, that can't be a charm. Yeah, it's just a sticker. We got the 1 charm of the little kangaroo. So I will put all the pricing down below. Remember, I think it's Lisa 20 will get you $20 off. I did check it. It's working. And I'll leave the link to the Wordy Traveler down below. And I will also leave a link if you want to see my last unboxing, or if you went to my videos, you just put in Wordy Traveler. I think I've unboxed probably like 5 of their boxes at this point in time over the years. So it's always such a treat to receive this from them. So thank you very much, Wordy Traveler. I so appreciate it. And I appreciate you guys watching, and give me a comment, give me a like. It always helps my analytics. I hate using that word analytics as a YouTuber, but it is what it is. And have a really nice day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.